Welcome to Edinburgh, Scotland, where ancient history meets vibrant modernity. In this travel vlog, join me as we uncover the hidden gems and iconic landmarks that make Edinburgh truly unforgettable. From the towering Edinburgh Castle, offering breathtaking views of the city, to the historic Royal Mile, lined with centuries-old buildings and bustling with life, this city has something for every traveler. Whether you're seeking adventure on Arthur's Seat or exploring the regal halls of Holyrood Palace, Edinburgh promises a journey through time and culture. Join me as we dive into Edinburgh's rich tapestry of history, beauty, and local insights. Edinburgh Castle. Here we are at Edinburgh Castle, one of Scotland's most iconic landmarks. This fortress, perched atop Castle Rock, not only offers breathtaking panoramic views of the city, but also holds centuries of history within its ancient walls. Originally built as a royal residence and military stronghold, Edinburgh Castle has witnessed countless chapters of Scottish history. From battles fought to the royal ceremonies held within these walls, it's a testament to Scotland's storied past. Step inside and marvel at the crown jewels, where centuries-old crowns, scepters, and ceremonial swords gleam with regal splendor. Each piece tells a tale of kings and queens who shaped Scotland's destiny. From its strategic position atop Castle Rock, Edinburgh Castle offers not only historical insights, but also breathtaking views that stretch across the city and beyond. It's a must-visit for anyone exploring Edinburgh. The Royal Mile. Next on our journey through Edinburgh is the legendary Royal Mile. This historic thoroughfare connects Edinburgh Castle to the Palace of Holyrood House, spanning centuries of Scottish history and culture. Wander along the Royal Mile and immerse yourself in its charm. From cozy cafes to quaint shops selling Scottish souvenirs, every corner tells a story of Edinburgh's past and present. Standing tall along the Royal Mile is St Giles Cathedral, a masterpiece of Gothic architecture and a symbol of Edinburgh's spiritual heritage. Inside, marvel at its stained glass windows and rich history. Explore historic landmarks like the John Knox House and the Writers' Museum, where Scotland's literary greats are celebrated. The Royal Mile is not just a street. It's a living museum of Edinburgh's cultural tapestry. Holyrood Palace. Welcome to Holyrood Palace, the official residence of the British monarch in Scotland and a jewel at the end of Edinburgh's historic Royal Mile. Built in the 17th century, Holyrood Palace has been a royal residence for centuries, hosting kings, queens, and important state ceremonies. It stands as a symbol of Scotland's royal heritage and political significance. Step inside and explore the opulent interiors of Holyrood Palace. Guided tours offer a glimpse into royal life, with rooms adorned in exquisite tapestries, paintings, and historic artifacts. Discover the stories behind the throne rooms, state apartments, and the historic Mary, Queen of Scots chambers. Each room echoes with tales of intrigue and royal splendor. Outside, wander through the beautifully manicured palace gardens, where monarchs once strolled amidst serene fountains and immaculate lawns. It's a tranquil oasis in the heart of Edinburgh. Arthur's Seat. Today, we're conquering Arthur's Seat, Edinburgh's ancient volcano and one of the city's most iconic landmarks. Rising above the city, Arthur's Seat offers adventurers a chance to explore its extinct volcanic peaks and experience breathtaking panoramic views. From the summit, marvel at Edinburgh's skyline laid out beneath you, with historic landmarks like Edinburgh Castle and Holyrood Palace dotting the landscape. Arthur's Seat isn't just for the views. It's also a haven for hikers and nature enthusiasts. The trails wind through diverse landscapes, from grassy slopes to rocky outcrops. Keep an eye out for local wildlife and colorful flora that thrive in this natural sanctuary. It's a perfect escape into Edinburgh's wilderness. Calton Hill. Calton Hill, a picturesque hilltop park adorned with historic monuments and offering unparalleled views of Edinburgh's skyline. Perched above the city, Calton Hill boasts impressive monuments that pay homage to Scotland's history and culture. The National Monument stands tall, resembling the Parthenon in Athens, honoring those who fought in the Napoleonic Wars. From here, soak in panoramic views that stretch across Edinburgh, from the majestic silhouette of Edinburgh Castle to the natural beauty of Arthur's Seat. It's a photographer's paradise, and a favorite spot for locals and visitors alike. The Nelson Monument, topped with a prominent statue of Admiral Nelson, offers insights into Edinburgh's maritime history and provides an excellent vantage point for panoramic city views. Explore the pathways that wind through Calton Hill's green spaces, dotted with monuments and offering tranquil spots for relaxation and reflection. It's a perfect blend of history, culture, and natural beauty right in the heart of Edinburgh. Princes Street Gardens. Now we're exploring Princes Street Gardens, a tranquil oasis nestled in the heart of Edinburgh, bridging the historic Old Town and the elegant New Town. Stroll through Princes Street Gardens and immerse yourself in its natural beauty. From vibrant seasonal flowers to manicured lawns, it's a perfect escape from the bustling city streets. Enjoy views of Edinburgh Castle, a historic fortress that looms over the gardens, adding a sense of grandeur to the serene surroundings. Discover hidden gems within the gardens, such as sculptures, memorials, and peaceful pathways that invite exploration and relaxation. Princes Street Gardens is more than just a park. It's a cultural hub where locals and visitors alike come to unwind and appreciate Edinburgh's natural and historical charms. Dean Village. Dean Village, a hidden gem nestled along the tranquil water of Leith in Edinburgh. Step into Dean Village and step back in time. This quaint neighborhood is renowned for its well-preserved historic buildings that evoke a sense of old-world charm. The centerpiece of Dean Village is its picturesque water wheel, a symbol of its industrial past and a beloved landmark among locals and visitors alike. Wander along the tranquil pathways beside the water of Leith and soak in the peaceful atmosphere that defines Dean Village. It's a serene escape from the bustling city. Explore the hidden nooks and crannies of Dean Village, where every corner reveals a story of its rich history and community spirit. Scottish National Gallery. The Scottish National Gallery, a cultural treasure trove nestled in the heart of Edinburgh's vibrant Princes Street. Step inside the Scottish National Gallery and immerse yourself in a world of fine art. This esteemed museum houses a remarkable collection that spans Scottish masters to renowned international artists. Discover masterpieces that capture the essence of Scottish landscapes, history, and culture, alongside works by celebrated artists from around the globe. Explore the galleries adorned with paintings, sculptures, and decorative arts that offer insights into different artistic movements and periods. The Scottish National Gallery isn't just a museum, it's a journey through creativity and imagination. Each artwork tells a story and invites contemplation. As our journey through Edinburgh comes to a close, we've explored the majestic Edinburgh Castle, wandered the historic Royal Mile, and discovered hidden gems like Dean Village and the Scottish National Gallery. From the panoramic views of Arthur's Seat to the serene beauty of Princes Street Gardens, each destination has revealed a unique aspect of this vibrant city. I hope you've enjoyed this glimpse into Edinburgh's rich history, stunning landscapes, and cultural treasures. Whether you're planning a visit or simply exploring from afar, there's always more to discover in Scotland's capital. Subscribe to our channel for more travel guides, insider tips, and adventures around the world. Don't forget to like, share, and leave your comments below. We love hearing from you. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Until next time, happy travels.